A rat's view of the world. Once upon rat's time, there lived Furbo, a mouse. Reader, you might be thinking there's something wrong, but here I was talking about a mouse, not a rat. Where was I? Oh yes, Furbo, a mouse. Readers, you know that mice live in holes, right? But in the light, while rats don't. Let's just go on. Furbo was the chief of the mice. Furbo's grandchildren, Shawnee and Anthony, were very mischievous. Reader, now I'll tell you all the things they've done. 1. They stole many things from the cafeteria and school. 2. They snuck into the mouse wheels. If you don't know what that means, then I'll tell you. It means movies. But the worst thing they ever did was lock their grandpa, Furbo, into the house so that he couldn't meet up with the council as he was the chief. Readers, you might be thinking why was Grandpa the chief and not why is, as he got punished because his grandchildren made him miss the meeting. Furbo is not the chief anymore, said the new chief, Rye Mouse. Rye Mouse is one of Furbo's close friends. Well, not anymore. Furbo got angry that Rye Mouse took his place. Furbo even abandoned his own family and his grandchildren.